Improving your calculation in chess is all about training your mind to see deeper, be more accurate, and stay calm under pressure. Here are some practical ways to boost your calculation skills. Number 1. Solve tactics daily. Spend at least 20 to 30 minutes solving puzzles. Focus not just on finding the first move, but calculate all possible replies. Number 2. Practice blindfold calculation. Look at a position, then close your eyes and try to visualize 2 to 3 moves ahead. This builds your mental board memory. Number 3. Use the CCT method, checks, captures, threats. In every position, first check for all checks, captures, and threats. These moves are the most forcing and help you not miss tactical shots. Number 4. Solve complex positions slowly. Pick harder puzzles where you force yourself to visualize all lines before moving any piece. No shortcuts. Number 5. Analyze your own games deeply. After each game, replay critical moments and ask yourself, what did I calculate? What did I miss? Number 6. Train with Guess the Move exercises. Take Grandmaster games, stop at key moments, and try to guess their move and their full idea, not just the move itself. Number 7. Stay organized during calculation. Always calculate in branches like a tree. Right arrow move a reply, A1 move A2, etc. Right arrow move B reply, B1 move B2. Number 8. Time your calculations. Set a timer, like 5 minutes, per puzzle when training, so you build speed and depth together. Number 9. Don't move too quickly in games. Force yourself to calculate before moving, especially when you see a good move. Always ask, is there a better one? Number 10. Stay sharp physically and mentally. Chess calculation needs focus. Good sleep, hydration, and a clear mind really matter.